So I'm back here again. I do, oh look, one glove off, one glove on. Right, I'm back here again. Once a year job, Pareto principle rules. Gutter vacuum, UPVC wash down, windows and frames. I'm going to concentrate just on the gutter vacuum for you today. Now this garage just here is rammed full of moss. The house is leaves, a lot easier with the leaves. The moss, it really tests the triple motors in the vacuum here. So I'll just show you a little bit of me vacuuming this moss out and then have a little chat to you about the different tools that you get with the vacuum. Now this is a once a year gutter vacuum, and I've just done that little bit there to show you how it works against the moss. Because if you look, this one gets absolutely rammed. It's a woodland location and it's just moss, moss, moss. Right, the gutter vacuum's full. So before we go any further, I'll just empty that. I'll show you how much has come out of there. It's the leaves on the house and one length of the garage with the moss. Have a look at this. Check this out. How effective is that then? Fantastic. I love gutter vacuuming. Again, we're like 150, 2 hours, £75 an hour. Pareto principle rules. Now I want to show you something, just a little tip on the tools that you get with the vacuum and what's the best one to use for downpipes to avoid getting your gooseneck stuck and snapping off sections of poles. Now this one again I've learned from a costly mistake. These tools here that go into the gooseneck. Now they come in various lengths, shapes and sizes. Now this is the long aluminium tool, right? Now when you're doing house gutters and you're going into the downpipe from the ground with the vacuum, don't use the short stubby aluminium pole, because what happens is there's not enough tube to get in the downpipe and this clamp gets caught on the tiles. Now, I've got a mad story. It was about, I can't remember, about 4 or 5 years ago now. And I was up against it. There was a storm coming in, like 80, 90 mile an hour winds. I had 1 hour to get this vacuum finished. It was a beast of a vacuum. I was up the ladder. I had 50 foot of pole out with a lot of flex. And I was vacuuming the gutters around a dormer window. Now this got caught on the tiles when I was going into the downpipe. Long story short, snapped off 2 carbon sections, which are not cheap, I tell ya. So whenever you're going down into downpipes, excuse me, always use the longer section, because then you've got plenty of tube to go into the gutters and the downpipe, and you'll have all this tube stuck out. So this will get right to the bottom of the downpipe, of the gooseneck, sorry, where it runs into the gutter. So this will get to the bottom of the gooseneck and you won't get your clamps caught on the tiles. Anyway, I've had to come off my painkillers because they're like messing my guts up. So I'm on just ibuprofen now. Woo, what a difference. I've got about 6 days work left before my operation and can't come soon enough now. Wobbling around a bit now. Anyway, brilliant. Speak to you later.